Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutormash.com. In this session, we'll be discussing about working with GIZMOS. 3DROTATE is another gizmo that we use in AutoCAD. It helps you to display a 3D rotate gizmo which will aid you to revolve the object in the 3 dimension. As you can see the figure here, it will show you the 3-dimensional rotational gizmo. So you can select any of the axes and rotate it according to your need. Now let's see this option in the software. Consider I have a spline like this, which starts from here, then here, then here, then here, and enter to exit it. And parallelly, let me draw an arc which starts from here, going over here, and coming towards here. Now if I want to rotate this object and make it directional towards the z-axis, I can use 3D rotate, that is 3D rotate, press enter. Now it is asking to select the objects. I will go and start with this object alone, that is this one, and press enter. Now you can see that after selecting the object, it has displayed the 3D rotate gizmo. As you can see here, it has the rotational axis defined. That means if you want to rotate this object about the x-axis, you can go and select this gizmo. Or if you want to rotate about the y-axis, you can select this one. And if you want to rotate it about the z-axis, you can select this one. For the time being, I will rotate this object in the y-axis so that it will come like this. Now you can see that the object is now freely rotating. You can make use of ortho mode to make it exactly 90-degree shift, or you can give the value. So for the time being, I will make my ortho mode on by pressing F8 in your keyboard. So which will help you to move your object in only 90-degree shift, that is this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I will go for the 90-degree, that is this one, and click it over here to get my object like this. I can check in the 3D by revolving the screen like this, and you can see that the spline has revolved and now it is projecting towards the z-axis. Similarly, you can use 3D rotate for the arc like this. Press enter. As soon as we get the 3D rotate gizmo, I can select the axis and rotate it according to need like this. I can again revolve the screen and check how it looks. Now similarly, if I have a plane surf like this, which I am intending to rotate towards the z-axis, so I can use 3D rotate, press enter, select the object, press enter. This time I will select the x-axis like this. So now you can see that it has rotated according to our need like this. And when you revolve your screen, you can see that it is much more better. So like that, you can use 3D rotate in various ways in the software. So that's the end of this session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback, and for more videos, log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.